Hi everyone, it's Peg with page 2 of Art Journal Snark Attack 2020. That's AJ Snark Attack 2020. So this is my second page, and today I am using some Lumiere paint in a halo blue gold. I'm just going to paint out that background. Decided I wanted to change it up a little bit, and I like that shimmery gold that comes out. Today's prompt was something about a unicorn. Gotta look at my page, I guess. It's not a tiara. I simply bedazzled my horns. Okay. So the tiara theme is going to come in here. And I will be bedazzling the tiara. But I just want you to see the shimmer on this. I know the video doesn't display it as much as I'd like, but I'm going to take a couple of different inks. One is an archival and the other is from Fun Stamper's Journey. They're both in the blue family, and I want to get this bubble effect in the background. This is a stencil from last month's Stencil Girl Club. If you don't know about Stencil Girl Club, go check out Stencil Girl on their main page. They have a join up. It's $25 a month for those folks in the US. I think it's $35 if you're overseas. And you get 3 stencils a month. A large one I think is 9 by 11, a 6 by 6, and a 4 by 4 I think. Anyway, they're done by great designers, and this month was a collaboration between Mary Beth Shaw and Seth After, I believe. So I've used this combination on the first few pages several times because I used it yesterday to create the shadowy face in the background and numbers. So anyway, I digress. Sorry. Gonna use this die from who is it? Oh boy, my mind today. It's the collage sheet pack, and it comes from Art by Marlene. She has a number of different ones, and they're really cool. I like her colorful effects, and I thought this Little Mermaid would be good on this page. I'm going to be giving her a tiara for sure, and we'll have some fun. So I hope you're enjoying this challenge this month and you're going to play along with us. Remember, we are Art Joy is Sharing on Facebook, and that's where you'll find all the prompts if you want to work off of our prompts. On Instagram, use the hashtag AJSnarkAttack2020, and you'll find all the pictures that are being posted there. And also, we have other challenges. This isn't the only challenge that we offer each month. So come and join us. Remember that if you're going to join Art Joy is Sharing on Facebook, that you do need to answer the questions. There are 3 short questions so that we know that you are a real person and not just trying to attack the group. We want to make sure that everybody's following the rules and it's a safe place for everybody to be. So we appreciate you and hope you will come and join us. So, and also check out my buddy Shell. Shell and I have been doing these, is it 5 or 6 years now? We've been doing these art journal challenges every year for the last several years. Last year was Art Journal Habit 2019. You can search that hashtag if you're interested in that. I think we used that same hashtag in 18 and 17. We had some other hashtags earlier on, and I'll have to try to find those and put them in the description if you're interested. But I know Shell links some of those older videos at the end of her videos also, so you may just want to check that out and see what we've done in the past. So I've got my pieces glued down. I'm going to use a Stabilo, but rather than a black, I'm going to use a blue Stabilo pencil. The black, I think, is just too harsh for this page, for the shadows. And I'm cutting out the little strip that has the tiara quote on it, and I will glue that down. You can cut them out, you can make them bigger, you can use a labeler. There's all kinds of ways for you to add these things to your pages, but this is just a quick and simple page this morning because I have not been well and I need to get my rest. So I just wanted to knock something out here for you guys to get you going for the month, and hopefully I will be back and feeling better here shortly. So I think I got everything glued down now, and I'm just going to do the shadows and the embellishments. So these are just some flat back sticky pearls, stuff I've had in my stash forever, and I am trying to use up things from my stash. I'm not going out and buying anything to do this with. So we all have things, and I don't care if it's just junk mail that you're using. I was going to talk the other day about the different types of journals that are out there, the junk mail journals and the smash books and the scrapbooks and the glue books, and all the different ways that we have been journaling for years. And I don't care how you're doing it. You don't have to follow what we're doing. I honestly was going to do a page the other day just doing the glue technique so you guys could see that again. And it's a good way to use up a lot of that stuff that we've all got sitting around in tubs. These die cuts are another one of those things that I've got a bunch of and I need to use up, and so you will see a number of them come out and be used this month because, because I can, and because they're quick pages, because they're not meant to be, these works of art. It's in a journal. It's snarky. It's just something to make you smile. And that's where I am this month. I am so tired of all the stuff that's going on. The fires, the floods, the hurricanes, the winds, the sickness, it's like we have had enough this year, 2020. Come on. It's time for some fun. So that's what I'm doing. It's having fun. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.